On the evening of April 15th, 2019, a devastating fire engulfed Notre Dame Cathedral, shocking the world. The flames destroyed its roof and iconic spire, but firefighters heroically saved much of the structure, including the two towers, stained glass windows, and the crown of thorns. The tragedy sparked global solidarity, with billions of euros raised for restoration. Today, reconstruction efforts are underway to ensure this historic masterpiece rises again. Welcome to this video about one of the most iconic landmarks in the world, the Notre Dame Cathedral. Located in the heart of Paris, this architectural masterpiece is not only a symbol of French history and culture, but also a beacon of Gothic art and design. Notre Dame, or Our Lady in French, was constructed between the 12th and 14th centuries. Its foundation stone was laid in 1163, during the reign of King Louis VII, and the construction continued for nearly 200 years. The cathedral is dedicated to the Virgin Mary and has witnessed countless historical events, including the coronation of Napoleon Bonaparte in 1804 and the liberation of Paris in 1944. Notre Dame stands as a testament to the enduring spirit of humanity and faith. It has inspired millions of visitors over the centuries, offering a glimpse into the craftsmanship and devotion of the medieval world. The cathedral's architecture is a perfect example of French Gothic design. Its twin towers, which soar 69 meters into the sky, and its iconic spire have defined the Parisian skyline for centuries. The facade is adorned with intricate sculptures, including the famous gargoyles and grotesques, which not only serve as decoration, but also act as rainwater spouts. Inside, visitors are awestruck by the soaring ribbed vaults, the stunning rose windows, and the impressive organ, which is one of the largest in the world. The stained glass windows, particularly the 3 rose windows, depict biblical stories with vibrant colors and exceptional detail. Notre Dame is more than just a cathedral. It's a cultural icon. It has inspired literature, music, and art. Most famously, Victor Hugo's novel, The Hunchback of Notre Dame, which brought renewed attention to the cathedral in the 19th century. For Catholics, it remains a sacred place of worship, hosting daily masses and religious ceremonies. For visitors of all backgrounds, it's a symbol of resilience, beauty, and faith. In 2019, Notre Dame faced a tragic fire that devastated its roof and caused the collapse of its famous spire. The images of the flames engulfing the cathedral were heartbreaking, but they also brought the world together in an outpouring of support. Millions of euros were pledged for its restoration, which is still ongoing today. The reconstruction efforts aim to restore Notre Dame to its former glory while ensuring its safety for future generations. Notre Dame Cathedral is more than just a building. It's a testament to human creativity, resilience, and devotion. Whether you've seen it in person or dream of visiting someday, it continues to inspire awe and admiration around the world. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos about history and culture.